So I left you guys off yesterday when I put these on, or last night rather, and while I finished up this, I added this pole and this pole to help support this beam. Can support all my weight. I'm hanging. But now I gotta go find some rollers and stuff so I can attach my ratchet strap, so I can be able to lift this engine up off the ground and get it moved into the shop. Now we attach this pulley and that pulley right there. Well, now that we have the pulleys attached right here and that one, let's hook the trailer up to the truck and pull it up to the engine and see if we can get this off the ground. Well, we got her up and off the ground. Look at that. If you ain't got it, you build it. Had to use 2 ratchet straps to reach, but she lifted up off the ground pretty decently. But my next thing is I think I'm gonna get a winch and attach it to there so that it's a little bit easier. But there we go, we got it done.